Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for AVAX USD price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart here, we are looking at several scenarios in this chart, of course between bearish and bullish scenario, where we potentially are looking for an A, B, C, D and an E, of course, in a bearish scenario where your wave E finishes towards the upside and then you want to see a move towards the downside. And this is, of course, your bearish scenario where you might drop, of course, for lower prices, maybe even, back to the $1 for Avalanche. In this case, you are bearish, of course. In the case that you are bullish, you are looking, of course, for an A, B, and a wave C towards the upside, where your wave C, of course, needs to be impulsive with 5 waves, of course, towards the upside after finishing this W, X, and a Y here as a corrective waves. Of course, you have a zigzag here, small zigzag for X, and a bigger wave, zigzag for wave Y. And you are looking already here for an impulse towards the upside somehow, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, and then A, B, and a C as an expanding flat. However, this expanding flat as a wave C is not finished yet. And that because we were looking for a potential diagonal formation, contracting diagonal formation, in case we don't break this channel. Now we have a break it. Of course, we went inside, but however, this is money. This is inside the market. Therefore, it has invalidated now this contracting diagonal. And therefore, this means that we might be still looking towards the downside. And that because your wave C and your wave 2 here possibly did not finish yet. And if we look at this expanding flat here, we have, of course, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and we are looking possibly to a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here, where it was supposed that your wave C has been finished and starting a diagonal, but now it looks like we are extending this wave C towards the downside with 1 more wave, of course, to finish as this wave 5. Possibly that this was your corrective wave in A, B, and a C, and you are looking now to 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 as a contracting diagonal, where your wave 1 is impulsive, then ABC, and then impulse again, and then ABC, and then 1 more impulse, of course, to finish this contracting diagonal. Now, if you would like to take a closer look, of course, on the 1-hour chart here, to see what is really going on inside this channel, we are looking definitely for a zigzag here. So another zigzag, so definitely this is corrective, right? So ABC, and then we are looking here at a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, perfect. And then of course A, B, and a C or W, X, Y, very obviously. And then of course 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, expanding diagonal again. Very rare to see, but it is, right? Because the wave 4 has interfered and we got a perfect 5 waves toward the downside. So definitely we are looking to another impulsive wave here, which it can be, guys, an expanding diagonal in a bigger picture here, right? Since we are looking at an expanding diagonal in wave 3, it is very, very possible that we see an expanding diagonal as well as a big wave here, finishing, of course, this wave C. That's very possible, but it's very rare to see, guys. However, we need to finish this somehow, and it cannot be done without taking the low, right? If we are impulsive towards the upside, it cannot really be because we took the low here, and then this has broken the structure towards the upside. Therefore, we need to take it 1 more time and then launching our wave 3 towards the upside, because you are already in a wave 1 here and you are looking for a finishing wave 2 and then moving up again. So yes, this is it for Avalanche. So let's wait and see if we're gonna unfold this orange scenario, and then of course the 3, 4, and a 5 to finish a wave C for an A, a B, and a C. Otherwise, if this doesn't unfold in this path that we were talking about, yeah, it might be then bearish, guys. It might be bearish. We have to move to the bearish scenario where you might still looking at a zigzag here, and then wave E, right? And then, of course, moving towards the downside. So this is the only scenarios that it can be on this structure. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.